Blocking IP addresses in Google Ads is essential for brand safety and precise ad targeting. As of late 2025, you can exclude specific IPs or ranges to prevent your ads from reaching unwanted viewers. To block an IP, navigate to Account Settings in Google Ads, then Exclusions, and select IP Exclusions. Enter the IP address or range using CIDR notation, such as 192.168.124, and choose whether to apply it at the account or campaign level. Keep in mind that IP blocking reduces exposure but isn't completely effective against proxies, VPNs, and Google's privacy-focused anonymization measures. For the best results, combine IP blocking with other brand safety tools in Google Ads, such as topic exclusions and content filters. While IP blocking remains useful for brand safety, it's becoming less reliable. With IPv6 adoption reaching 40% of global internet traffic and more dynamic IP addresses from mobile carriers and VPNs, traditional IP exclusions are harder to maintain effectively. Current trends indicate a move away from IP-based exclusions toward AI-driven and contextual targeting. Google's AI classifiers can detect unsafe content in real time, providing broader brand safety beyond manual IP lists. Instead of relying solely on IP exclusions, adopt a hybrid approach. Use IP blocking for quick tactical fixes on known problematic addresses, while leveraging Google's AI classifiers for broader, automated brand safety coverage. Looking ahead, IP blocking will evolve with privacy technologies. Experts predict integration with predictive analytics by 2027, where machine learning could auto-exclude risky IPs based on historical data. However, effectiveness may decline 20 to 30% by 2030 as cookieless targeting becomes standard. For example, major retailers use IP exclusions to block ads on counterfeit sites. By excluding over 500 IPs associated with fake marketplaces, they achieved a 25% reduction in invalid clicks, especially when combined with Google's sensitive categories filter. Financial service companies exclude IPs from embargoed regions to comply with regulations like OFAC. This approach prevented $50,000 in wasted ad spend on non-targetable audiences in restricted areas. Remember, IP blocking serves as an essential tactical tool for brand safety, but it's not a complete solution. As privacy regulations evolve, pair it with AI-driven targeting and other advanced methods to ensure comprehensive protection and long-term success.